Welcome to my channel Guides to Everything. Polaris Bank USSD codes, *833#. If you are signed up for Polaris Mobile, dial *833# and start using. If you are not signed up on Polaris Mobile, please follow the steps below, dial *833# from your Polaris Bank registered line. Select option 6 to check your balance. Polaris Bank USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Airtime top-up for others is 833 amount *PHONENUMBER#. Airtime top-up for self is 833 amount #. Check account balance is 833.6#. Opening account is 833.1#. Pay bills is 833.2#. Pay with MasterPass is 833.7#. Transfer to Polaris account /others is 833 amount * account number #. Update BVN is 833.5#. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comments button to ask your questions. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Do share with family and friends. Thanks for watching.